topic is the error. What is error? Error a kind of mistake. If we are performing any kind of experiment and we have to take around 5 to 8 readings and then finding their true value. If there is a mismatch and some difference between the true value or our measured value, then you have to know about what is the percentage error and what we have done in any mistake in our experiment. So you have to know error is what? A kind of mistake. But if we have some reading, some data, then how can we find the percentage error for any given data? So we are considering that a given data, that is A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So we are considering, we are performing any experiment and we have these 5 readings right now. Okay, so in these 5 readings, how can we find the percentage error? What will be their format? So for finding the percentage error, the step 1, you have to find the mean value. So mean value is denoted by AM, and the mean value is summation of all given data by the number of data, that is 5, so you have to divide it by 5. Now the second step, absolute error. So absolute error is denoted by del A. So you have to find the absolute error in our individual readings. So for the first one, A mean minus A1. For the second absolute error, A mean minus our second reading. Third, A mean minus third value. And this one again A4, then A5 is equals to A mean minus A5. So this one is our absolute error. Now the third step, we have to find the mean absolute error. How can you find the mean absolute error? By the summation of the absolute error for the individual given data. So for example, we have to find mean absolute error. We have to write del A1 plus del A2 plus del A3 plus del A4 plus del A5. Why we are using magnitude here? Because we can get a negative or positive both absolute error, but we have to use only positive value. That's why we are using the magnitude here. Now after this, the step 4, we have to find the relative error. So relative error is what? The ratio of the mean absolute error by the mean value. That is the relative error. And the last step or our final step to finding the percentage error. So percentage error is equals to relative error into 100. So we can write del AM by AM into 100. That is the journal format for finding the percentage error for any given data. For example, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Step 1, you have to find mean value. Step 2, absolute error. Step 3, mean absolute error by this formula. And then the step 4, relative error. Step 5 is the percentage error. So that's your, you can say that's your homework. You have to do the same format by using some values, and then you have to find the percentage error. And just tell me the result in my comment box. So there is the A1 is the 0.2, A2 is equals to 0.1, A3 is equals to 0.3, A4 is equals to 0.2 and A5 is equals to 0.1. So you have to put in the value of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 in these steps and then get the idea about the percentage error. And don't forget to mention the result in my comment box. Thank you, students.